everybody, welcome back. It's Tosh here. I am here today with my only non-makeup unboxing. It is the Mint Mongoose unboxing for the month of November. So if that sounds interesting, please stick around. For those of you that are returning, welcome back. For those of you that are new here, my name is Tasha, and on my channel I do typically all things makeup. I do upload 3 times a week, Monday, Tuesday, and Friday. And this is my only non-makeup box so far, but certainly if there are other ones that you guys want to see, please drop me a line and leave me a comment of other boxes that you're interested in. Without any more talk, we're going to go ahead and jump into the unboxing. And so I did get it again in this blue mailer versus the teal mailer that I had received a couple of times, so I don't know if maybe they're switching to blue, but the inside is still this beautiful packaging that has the Mint Mongoose stamped in mint, of course, with this beautiful ribbon around it. And then they do always include a little card here that gives you a preview of the items, a beautiful picture on the other side, and then there is a story or an inspiration for why these items were created for this month. So it says that this month's set is inspired by the only memory I have from my first day of high school. A memory that has helped me lay the foundation for the person I strive to be even today. So cute little inspiration there, and we're going to go ahead and jump right in. I always love Mint Mongoose. I think their items are very, very high quality. This is the box that is $13.99 a month, I believe. And you get 3 items. Typically, it's 2 necklaces and a pair of earrings. Oh, I'm having a hard time getting it into this bag of this month. And then there is a higher tier up from there where you get 3 to 4 items. And of course, now that they have actually done a whole new website, which I still need to check out, but there is a t-shirt add-on that you can do, I believe, for $9.99 a month, as well as some other items. So check them out. Of course, they wrap it beautifully, and they do always include, which cracks me up, a little Werther's Original. How sweet. So that is in there, and let's jump into this month. I did see a preview, and it looked beautiful, so I'm super excited. This is definitely a necklace. It has that Mint Mongoose, and then on the back, spend $40 on individual items in our online shop and receive your next box free. So of course there is a little coupon there for people who do get their box, and let's open this up. I do always appreciate that their items are very well branded as well as very well wrapped, so you don't ever have to worry about getting something that is going to be broken or unhad. That is beautiful. I did not see that. So that is a necklace. It is a beautiful length. It also has that just gorgeous metal tassels. I do get my box in gold. You do have the option to do rose gold as well as silver. That is just stunning. The light hits it beautifully. So I really like that. And the other thing that I really enjoy about Mint Mongoose is that they have different tiers, or tiers is not the right word, different lengths that you can do this on. So you can do it shorter or you can do it longer depending on how long you want this to be. This is a fairly long chain, so it will hang kind of mid-chest, kind of boob level, so to speak, if you have it on what they have it on now. But definitely beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I love that. Let me get this. I've tangled it all up. Tangled it all up. There we go. So there it is again. Stunning. Okay, let's jump into the next thing. I did not see that, so that is very pretty. The next item that we have here is earrings, and I can already see it's the earrings that goes with that necklace. I did not put any jewelry on, so we can put some of this on and you can actually see what it looks like. These are just those beautiful metal tassels for the earring. And they did send little plastic backs in there as well if you need them. But these are just going to go right in your ear, and I'll go ahead and pop them right on. And you can see they're just that simple metal dangle. This ear is always a little difficult, I don't know why. So there we go. How cute. That would look really nice together. Oh, I like that. And so the next piece is another necklace, and this is actually what I saw, the preview that I saw for this set. And I thought this was beautiful. It is, again, in gold because that's what I have it, but it is this beautiful kind of a quartz. I know I'm holding this up to my face weird. Kind of a quartz insert right here. And I'll get this all closer in just a few minutes. It is on a little bit of a shorter chain, but again, you still do have the option to make it a little bit longer, but this will be a much shorter chain for most people. And so I'm going to get you close up on all of these. So hang on one second. Okay, so here's a close up. You can see the earrings, just a beautiful dangle right there. I do really like that and like how it catches the light. I am going to hold this next piece up so you can kind of see the detail. It is a little bit of a pinky peach color right there. Again, with that quartz. Make sure that it's focusing on that piece there. With that quartz looking insert and then detailed in gold. So very beautiful, a little shorter chain. And then here is this one that's the longer chain with the beautiful tassels that will go with this earring set. So that was the Mint Mongoose unboxing for the month of November. Let me know, what did you guys think of this set? I do really like it. I think that this, as well as the necklace that goes along with it, is absolutely beautiful. I did, however, love that set from last month with the moon and the stars, that celestial kind of detail. Let me know what you guys think. What is your favorite box from Mint Mongoose? Wow. What is your favorite box from Mint Mongoose recently? Drop me a line, let me know. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I loved having you here. Please stay safe, stay happy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.